May the peace, blessings, and mercy of God be upon you. Welcome to a new video. In today's video, we will talk about a very, very easy site that we all earn from and make very, very good profits from by watching ads and clicking on ads. You will find the website link in the video description and in the first pinned comment. Of course, this is a short episode. The big episode contains all the details. You will find a link to it in the video description. If you have a lot of questions, you will find them in the big episode. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you will subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button on everyone so that you will receive notifications of all new videos. I am here on the channel offering you free explanations for making money from the internet. So I ask you please, and it is not an order, that you subscribe to the channel to support us, and do not forget to like the video. Okay, how do we register on the site? The first time you click on the link in the article, this page will open with you. You will click on Get Started in this way and start writing your username here. For example, like Abu Malik. You, for example, write Mustafa Ahmed. Whatever your email is here, make sure that an email is working here. You will click on I am not a robot and you will click on sign up. That's it. You have created an account on the site. You do not need any other steps. When you register on the site, the page opens in front of you in this way. So what should I do then to be able to withdraw from the site? First, you will find that everything in front of you is zero, and the balance that increases you have in the main balance does not have an invitation to the balance that was deposited. This is an additional thing on the site that is paid, but you can work for free. You want to work for free. You can also work in a paid form at your convenience, but you can work for free. So how will you work? You have something here called paid to click. This is about ads that open this ad for 30 seconds. We left a small ad in it so that the video is not long. It lasts 20 seconds and it will take 8 coins. All I do is thanks to opening the page for 20 seconds. When these 20 seconds end, 8 are added. I have coins in my account. I make the first withdrawal when I reach 2,000 coins, but I advise you to wait until you reach 10 zero coins, because the payer will not hear more than this amount. They tell me that you have received 8 coins, and so on for the rest of the ads. Of course, these advertisements are renewed, meaning you will finish these advertisements. These advertisements are renewed, and this happened to me, and I do not work on them directly or work on them continuously. After that, you have faucet. This faucet is renewed every 24 hours. Of course, I have been doing it for a while. Every day the profit is more than the next. There is a button here that you press, and it will bring you, for example, 20 coins or 20 coins each day is more than the next. These short links are pages like the ones that were on the previous site, which you trample on in this way and find advertisements. Click on I am not a robot, of course. It tells you to choose the bicycle. This is the shape. You click on complete and it opens an advertisements page for you, and so on. You will wait 10 seconds to shorten these ads links or click on these links. Of course, if you are not turning on ad blocking, it will disgust you a little and you will find a lot of ads. You are turning on blocking ads, okay? He tells you to wait. You will click on completion. Okay, click on get link here. You will wait 10 seconds. Of course, it will be a little long, but in the end, the goal is that we earn good profits in light of the weak profits. YouTube and the site are honest, and I have withdrawn from it more than once, and you will now see for yourself. I got the link. That's it. I'm done like that. You took 18 coins. Okay. After that, you have the daily reward. The daily reward is the same story you fear every day. You choose it and take your daily reward every day. Of course, it differs from the other and from one person to the other, depending on your daily profit. Affiliate. If you also want to work on this site and shop through the site, you will find your link in this place. You take the link in this form and start marketing for it on your channel, on your site, whatever the percentage of the affiliate. Oh God bless the messenger of God. Of course, if you want to make an advertisement for your site, you can make an advertisement from here. You can pay for the site and make an advertisement for your site. How many seconds are there on the site, and you pay the flower to visit the unit, and so on. I have not tried it yet, but I am also telling you its method, and you would like to try it or work on it. Okay, what is the paid story that can also bring me profits on an ongoing basis? If we go back like this, you will find here that the currencies increase directly. I mean, I am not doing anything. It is if I'm afraid of advertising or anything, but it increases because I did something called multiple currencies. What are the various currencies? It starts from the first $10. I pay $10 to the site via Payeer. Every day I pay to the site in addition to the free profit. I increase my profits in a faster and continuous manner, and of course, the more you increase the amount you make as a deposit, the more the percentage increases, meaning 100 zero currencies. these mean $10. 100 zero currencies mean $10. I'm telling you to withdraw from the first 10 zero currencies in order to withdraw $1 if we click on withdrawing profits. These are the proofs of withdrawal. Of course, you can withdraw via Payeer or via Suitable Money. These are, guys, the proofs of withdrawal are $1, $2, and $3. $2, 5, 1, 2, 4, 3. These dates are the last date or the last date 2, 7, 23, and 23. This is all. The amount that I withdrew from the site is a total of $36. This is in short the site, and these are the proofs of withdrawal. You want to know what details you will find in the compiled video in the video description, and you will find a registration link in the article in the video description in the first comment beforehand. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I will show you that. God willing, in a new episode. Thank you. May the peace, mercy, and blessings of God be upon you.